Ready to pass the CPA exam faster? Visit cpapass.ai. Today, CMA versus CISA, which certification to get after your CPA. And you finally passed the CPA exam, but instead of feeling completely satisfied, you're already asking, what is next? Should you double down on corporate finance with a CMA or pivot to high paying tech risk with a CISA? The trap is assuming any extra credential automatically guarantees a promotion. If you choose the wrong one, you waste hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars on material that doesn't align with your career goals. Let's break down the exact differences between the CMA and CISA so you can make the right move after passing your CPA. Think of the CMA as B key on crack. It focuses heavily on internal corporate finance, cost accounting, and strategic decision making. If your goal is to climb the corporate ladder to become a controller or a CFO, the CMA is highly respected. It proves you don't just audit the numbers, you actually understand how to use them to drive business performance. It requires passing two comprehensive parts, covering budgeting, performance evaluation, and corporate finance. If you enjoy operational decision making and working closely with executive teams on strategy, this is your path. On the flip side, the CISA is the gold standard for IT audit, risk management, and cybersecurity governance. In today's digital economy, every major accounting firm and corporation is desperate for professionals who understand systems and data security. The CISA bridges the massive gap between traditional accounting and information technology. If you want to work in IT advisory, system implementation, or perform SOC audits, the CISA is your ticket. It is a single part exam that tests your understanding of information systems acquisition, development, and protection. Let's compare the actual career trajectories. With a CPA and a CMA, you are positioning yourself for corporate leadership roles like financial planning and analysis manager, director of finance, or CFO. You will be dealing with internal budgets, profit margins, and mergers. With a CPA and a CISA, you are targeting roles like IT audit manager, risk advisory consultant, or chief information security officer. You will be evaluating database controls, system security, and compliance frameworks. Choose CMA for corporate finance, choose CISA for tech risk and consulting. The CMA exam is a two-part beast. Part 1 covers financial planning, performance, and analytics. Part 2 covers strategic financial management. Each part is a 4-hour exam consisting of 100 multiple choice questions and 2 essay scenarios. To pass, you need to study about 150 to 200 hours per part. If you study 15 hours a week, you can knock out both parts in about 6 months. The pass rate hovers around 45%, so do not underestimate the preparation required. The CISA exam is a completely different format. It is a single 4-hour exam consisting of 150 multiple choice questions. It covers 5 domains, ranging from the information systems auditing process to the protection of information assets. Because you already passed the CPA, you already understand general auditing concepts. This means you only need to study about 80 to 100 hours total for the CISA. You can easily prepare for and pass this exam in 2 to 3 months of consistent study. Let's talk about the real investment of time and money. The CMA will cost you around $1,500 in exam fees, plus another $1,000 for review materials, and requires 2 years of professional experience. The CISA costs about $750 for the exam, plus study materials, and requires 5 years of experience, though your CPA can waive up to 2 years of that. If you want a faster, lower cost win to boost your resume immediately, CISA is the clear winner here. So, how do you make the final decision? Ask yourself where you want to spend your working hours. If you want to analyze financial statements, optimize supply chains, and build financial models, go with the CMA. If you want to audit IT infrastructure, consult on software implementations, and evaluate cyber risks, go with the CISA. Do not collect certifications just to put letters after your name. Choose the one that directly opens the door to the specific job title you want next. And whether you choose the CMA, the CISA, or you are still fighting to get those 3 letters CPA after your name, you need a smart strategy to pass. Head over to cpapass.ai right now. You can join our active community of candidates, practice with over 20,000 multiple choice questions and task-based simulations, and take full-length mock exams to drill your weak areas. You can start completely free today with free daily practice questions. No credit card required. Visit cpapass.ai and accelerate your career rate.